Hello children, welcome to our radio learning program for Primary 5 Science. This is a continuation of our radio learning programs produced by Rwanda Education Board, REB, in partnership with Inspire, Educate and Empower Rwanda, IEE. My name is Teacher Gerard. We will be learning SET, Science and Elementary Technology for Primary 5. Good. Children, get ready with your pens and notebooks. Be ready to take notes. Be ready to do exercises and homework if they are there. After that, sit next to the radio. Tune the radio to be loud enough and be ready to listen to it keenly, as well as participating in radio lesson activities. Parents, hongera. Bravo. Thank you. Thank you for the part that you have been playing in the learning of the learners. You've been part of the child's learning by being closer to them. And I'd like you to continue supporting them in this radio learning program as you keep keen watch on them and making sure that they are safe at home. Thank you. Now, children, let us stand up to have a warm-up song. I will sing the song 2 times. As you listen, then you will join me to sing for the 3rd time. Today, we are going to sing the other song that is talking about fire. That is talking about something burning. And why are we singing that one which is dealing with burning, which is dealing with fire? My friend, I want to tell you, we are still on electricity. So, I'm going to sing the song. London's burning, fetch the engines, fire, 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 burn water, burn water. London's burning, fetch the engines, fire, 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 burn water, burn water. Pupils, can you join me as we sing for the 3rd time? Good. Let us sing. London's burning, fetch the engines, fire, 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 burn water, burn water. Good. Children, the reason why we have sung that song of London's burning, this song came as a result of an electric short circuit that came in a bakery in London. A short circuit that came or happened in a bakery in London where they bake bread. And then things started catching fire and everything got burned. The old bakery got burned. The houses next to it got burned. All the shops around, all the old street, all the old estate. My friend, it was a big fire. It was a big what? Fire. Let us sing it once again, then we go. London's burning, fetch the engines, fire, 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 burn water, burn water. Good, good. Children, that is that. Electricity is good and equally bad if not properly used. Is that clear? Yes. Before we continue, can you mention the importance of electricity that we learned last time? Can you remember the importance of electricity that we learned last time? Great. Electricity is important in the following ways. We said, 1, it is used to power radios, televisions, computers, and phones. Number 2, it is used to light homes, schools, and other important places. Number 3, it is used to power vehicles and machines. Number 4, it is used for heating in ovens and microwaves. Number 5, it is used for air conditioning and refrigeration. Number 6, it is used to press clothes and to dry clothes in dry cleaning shops. Number 7, it is used to solder or to press together metals. Good. Again, what are the sources of electricity that we saw last time? Can you tell us some of the sources of electricity that we saw last time? Good. The sources of electricity that we learned about last time are the bicycle dynamo. Number 2, the dry cell. Number 3, the solar panel. Number 4, the wind-driven turbine. And the car battery. Is that correct? Perfect. Perfect.
Come along and play with us.
My friends, today we are going to learn about common tools and materials used in electricity. Common tools and materials used in electricity. Can you write that one down? Common tools and materials used in electricity. Great. Now, my friends, let us look at the pictures on page 198. Let us look at the pictures on page 198. We are going to name the tools used in electricity and their uses. Is that clear? Perfect. Perfect. The common tools used in electricity. Do you know any of them? Can you name some of them? Good. Try. Wow. The common tools used in electricity, we want to name them. The following tools are used in electricity. Number 1, extension cable. Extension cable. It is used to tap electric power from the wall or socket to reach other appliances that are far away. Used to tap electric power from the wall or socket to reach other appliances that are far away. Number B, tape measure. The tape measure is used to measure the length of wire and distances while fitting the constructions with electricity. The tape measures are used to measure the length of wire and distances while fitting the constructions with electricity. Number C. Are we together? C. Flat screwdriver. Flat screwdriver is for driving in screw nails while fixing electrical materials. The tip is flat. Flat screwdriver is for driving in screw nails while fixing electrical materials. The tip or the top is flat. That's why it is called flat screwdriver. We also have the ladder. Ladder. It is used to climb to the top of buildings or higher places as we work on electric cables. The ladder is used to climb to the top of buildings or high places as we work on electric cables. E. The hammer. The hammer is used for hammering nails during installation. Hammer is used for hammering nails during installations. The pliers. The pliers, P-L-I-E-R-S, pliers. The pliers are for cutting wires and cables. For cutting wires and cables. Number G, drill. Drill. D-R-I-L-L. A drill is for drilling holes and sometimes for driving in nails. Let us go to H. H, cable meter. A cable meter is for the connection of electric to appliances. Then we also have other pliers, which are for holding and tightening nuts and cables. We also have star screwdriver. Remember, the first one was flat screwdriver. We also have a star screwdriver. What is its work? For driving in nails as well. Then we also have a torch or spotlight. That is for lightening and to produce light. We also have a hacksaw, number L. Hacksaw, for cutting metals. The hacksaw is for cutting what? Metals. Is that clear? Great.
Come along and play with us.
Common materials used in electricity. Materials used in electricity are either conductors or insulators. My friends, the materials that are used in electricity are either conductors or insulators. I'm spelling conductor. C-O-N-D-U-C-T-O-R-S. Conductors or insulators. Insulator. I-N-S-U-L-A-T-O-R-S. Insulators. So materials used in electricity are either conductors or insulators. Number A, fuse. A fuse is for bridging electric current and make it active. A fuse for bridging electric current and make it active. We have B, wall socket. A wall socket is for connecting electric supply from the walls to the cables. We also have C, adapter. Adapter used to adapt electrical power and any use and change them accordingly to the required appliances or application. Then D, extension cable for extending power to other appliances. You have seen that. We also have E, electric wire for supplying electricity. Number F, electric switch. The switch is for putting on and off electricity. We also have dry cell. A dry cell is a source of electricity. Then we also have a screw nail. A screw nail is for tightening and fixing. Screw nail is for tightening and fixing. We also have the bulbs. The bulbs will glow into light when switched on. Number J, the plug. A plug connects cables to wall sockets. A plug connects cables into wall what? Sockets. Good. We also have adapter. Adapter is for converting power to the right amount. The work of adapter is to convert the power to the right amount. Why the right amount, my friends? All these machines that we are using, there is a specific amount. There is a specific amount of power, of electric power, that is supposed to be used in them. We cannot tap electricity from the cables from the roof or from the poles direct into our TV. Oh, my friends, the TV will get burned because the power that will get into it will be more than its consumption. It will get burned. If you do that one, my friend, it will burn. Even the radios, even anything that is using electricity, my friends, we must give it just the right amount of electricity. That is the work of adapter. I spell adapter. A D A P T E R. Adapter. My friend, it is for converting power to the right amount, such that we get only the right amount of electricity to the right appliance. Good. Conductors can be used to make conducting wires, contacts in switches and fuses, plugs and sockets. Conductors can be used to make conducting wires, contacts in switches and fuses, and plugs and sockets.
Come along and play with us.
What of insulators? Insulators are used to insulate electric cables and prevent short circuiting. To insulate, that means to cover it such that the wires that are conducting electricity cannot be seen or cannot be reached by our hands. So you can see the other polythene paper or the plastic that is always covering wires. Even if you have your earphone, there is a wire that is connecting the earphone into the socket or somewhere into the radio. You cannot see the naked wire. If you see the naked wire, it is very bad because it can sow or it can cause short circuit. So we use insulators. Insulators are the coating, the covering, the plastic covering, which will make it not cause a short circuit. Wires should not connect to one another. Wires should not connect to human body, and therefore we have to insulate them. So, my friends, insulators are used to insulate electric cables and prevent short circuit. Do you get that? We have conductors and insulators. Conductors can be used to make conducting wires, contacts in switches and fuses, plugs and sockets. What of insulators? Insulators are used to insulate electric cables and prevent short circuiting. Circuit. C-I-R-C-U-I-T-I-N-G. Circuiting. Now, my friends, at your free time, you will have to look at page 198 and learn more about electric tools and materials. You will look at page 198 and learn more about electric tools and materials. Look at the tool and the function or their work that we have written against them. Are we together? Good. My friends, that will make the end of our lesson for today. I hope to meet you in the next radio lesson. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time. Goodbye, 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 teacher. Goodbye, children. See you next time.